In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure that you're logged into your Zoho CRM account on your Chrome browser. This is really important because you'll need access to all the features that Zoho CRM offers, and Chrome provides a robust and compatible browser experience for this platform. Once you're logged in, make your way over to the Setup section. You can find this in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on Setup will unveil a whole world of customization options for your CRM, allowing you to tailor the platform to suit your specific business needs. In the Setup menu, look for the Automation section. Within Automation, you'll see an option called Workflow Rules. This is where all the magic happens. Workflow rules are the backbone of automating tasks within Zoho CRM, making your life much easier by reducing manual input and human error. When you click on Workflow Rules, you'll want to proceed by selecting the Create Rule button. This option allows you to start building a new workflow that can automate tasks and processes according to your specifications. Now you'll need to choose the module for which you're creating the rule. This could be leads, contacts, deals, or any other module that best fits your needs. Make sure to pick the right one to ensure that your automation works as intended. Next, you'll be prompted to give your rule a name. This could be anything that clearly signifies what the rule is intended to do. Naming it something descriptive will help you remember its function in the future, especially if you have several rules in place. Now it's time to define the condition that will trigger the workflow. This condition acts as a signal for your automation to start. For instance, you could set it so that whenever a new lead enters the system, an email is automatically sent or a task is created. Be thoughtful about this step, as the trigger is critical for the automation to engage accurately. After defining your condition, you'll need to add actions to your workflow. These actions specify what the workflow will do once it's triggered. You have several options here, such as sending an email, updating specific fields within a record, or creating new tasks for your team. Carefully configure each action to ensure that they align with your intended objectives. With everything set to your liking, it's time to save and activate the workflow. By activating it, you're enabling the automation to start working in the background, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. Lastly, it's crucial to test the workflow by triggering the condition you've set. This ensures that all components are working seamlessly and as expected. Testing might reveal some tweaks or adjustments you need to make, so don't skip this step. Once you've confirmed everything is functioning correctly, you can sit back and let the automation handle those repetitive tasks for you.